that okay अब ये फिर shipping शुरू हो जाएगी, and is that a good thing or a bad thing? Because अभी तक whenever you've been in like a romantic track, it's been with Summer, है ना?
Yes.
या और तो नहीं कोई other than वो ज़िद्दी, but that's we'll not talk about.
But जुड़वा में भी है.
जुड़वा में भी है.
Yes.
You have yeah. But Summer के साथ did you ever feel कि अच्छी ये ज़्यादा stereotype ना हो जाए या लोग फिर से shipping शुरू कर देंगे? Is that a problem?
वो तो हमें पता था कि shipping शुरू कर देंगे. हाँ. Because obviously वो हम लोग का वो दोस्ती और सब, लेकिन I don't really mind. मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि like oh is that a good thing or a bad. I think I perceive it as a good thing because obviously दोस्ती है, बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती है, तो like दोस्ती वो नजर आती है लोगों को.
जिस तरह आप लोग मॉर्निंग शो पे बैठे हुए थे, बहुत लोगों ने कहा ओहो इनकी क्या लड़ाई हो गई है जो ये इधर मुंह करके बैठी हुई है, वो उधर मुंह करके बात नहीं कर रहे हैं.
I was wearing a dress. I was wearing a dress. तो obviously जिसने शो पे बुलाया उनसे तो मैं ऐसे करके नहीं बैठ सकती ना, तो इसलिए मैं बैठी हुई थी because हम लोग एक साथ भी बैठे हुए थे, मतलब हम लोग की कोई लड़ाई कुछ नहीं हुआ था हम लोगों का. मैं
नहीं कह रही, I was just reading comments and like क्या ये लड़ रहे हैं.
जब कैमरा हम लोग बात भी कर रहे थे, coincidentally जब कैमरा उस तरफ होता था ना, वो दोनों बात कर रहे थे, तब हम जब रेहाम और अबुल बात कर रहे होते थे तब मैं और समर बात करते थे. तो ना मैं इसलिए होके बैठी हुई थी क्योंकि I was wearing a dress. तो it was a pretty long skirt, but still when you're wearing a dress you basically you turn a little bit and you sit like that. It's the etiquettes of wearing a dress. I was just following the etiquettes. I was not mad at him. He was not mad at me. We're friends. Yeah, we're friends. We're talking. I can call him and be like, "कैसे हो अभी right now?" We're still friends.
Friends, exactly. कोई लड़ाई नहीं थी. सही है. When wrapping up more or less, what are the pressures of being in the limelight? I mean, अभी dress की बात की है. Is there a pressure to look a certain way now?
No, I don't take that pressure.
You don't take the pressure. कि you know अब रंगत का ख्याल रखो, सांवला ना हो जाए, अपनी नजर तो नहीं आ रही.
वो लोग बोलते हैं, of course लोग बोलते हैं, लोग हर चीज़ पे बोलते हैं. मैंने तो हर चीज़ के बारे में देखा है अपने comments, which is okay, it's fine. लोग मेरी basically I am going through puberty in front of the audience, right?
Yeah.
So I'm growing up, तो acne भी होती है, ये भी होता है, वो भी होता है, पिंपल भी हो जाता है, सब होता है. और मैं कवर भी नहीं करती, वो भी नहीं करती, मैं कहती हूँ उसको छोड़ दो, हाँ मेकअप नहीं लगाओ, ये नहीं करो, वो नहीं करो. तो इट्स लाइक कि मैं आई डोंट रियली केयर, बट मोर और लेस आई थिंक सबकॉन्शियसली आई डू, बिकॉज लोग कह देते हैं आपको कभी कभी कि मोटी हो रही हो, पतली हो रही हो. आई ट्राई टू बी हेल्दी, तो आई ट्राई कि मैं वॉक करूँ अच्छी, नॉट particularly to stay skinny, but to be healthy. You know, to let my organs have a break as well, and you know, sleep as much as I can, walk पे जाऊँ, ये करूँ, अच्छा खाना खाऊँ, healthy. और ये सारी चीज़ें I don't think I care about the beauty standards, but I think जब आप ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में आ जाते हो तो आप subconsciously आप केयर करते हो, because लोग आपको कहते हैं. जैसे my goal was never to like look my best. My goal, obviously, it's something that you should aim for, but my goal was to be a good artist, and it's still that. My primary goal is that.
But it helps that you're pretty and you have green eyes, and I'm sure people have told you that.
Yeah, I hope. Like, I don't think about stuff like that. I don't think when I walk into a room, I don't think, oh, am I the prettiest girl here? I don't think about stuff
like
that.
Which I think is very refreshing about your generation, that you're coming in with confidence. You know?
Yeah, it's like
you're coming from a place of security and confidence, and that shows.
Yeah, I walk into a room and I'm like, I want to have a conversation with you and you and you and you, and open my horizons to something else, and you know, learn from everyone and ask about what they went through and how they perceive their art, and are they an artist, are they not, what do they do, and how do they do it, and do they like it, do they enjoy it, what are the pros, what are the cons. That's what I think about when I'm entering a room, rather than
okay, some really light questions. I wouldn't say superficial, but some very light questions. So what kind of music do you listen to?
Okay, I listen to, there's a band called Chase Atlantic. I've been a fan of theirs for like 4 years or 5 years. I was very young when I started listening to their music, and I'm still a very hardcore fan of Chase Atlantic. I listen to that. I listen to The Neighborhood. I listen to like all kind of music. I listen to rap. I listen to Joji. I listen to stuff like that. Like every kind of music.
Right.
Yeah.
What kind of movies do you like watching?
Is it bad if I say rom-coms?
No, not at all.
I like rom-coms.
Like, what is the favorite rom-com of?
To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Okay. That's a very, even though the story, the premise.
Is it like a very Gen Z film? I haven't even watched it.
It's like, it's okay. So what happens? I'll tell you the premise of the movie. Now we're having a conversation, okay? If you watch the movie, you know. So it's basically the character, she loves studying, like she loves books, she loves reading. She's never had a boyfriend. So she basically what happens is that she's fake dating somebody and then they actually catch feelings for each other and they end up together. There's like a whole thing. So basically whenever she feels too intense, like there's a lot of intense emotions, she writes them down.
Okay.
And then she's like, you know, letter banati hai, pura sab karti hai, never intending on actually giving the letters to them, but like just there. Then her sister actually gives the letters out.
Okay.
So every single one of the guys she has liked just get to know that she likes them. Basically, it's filmed in such a nice and comforting way. मतलब कोई वो ज़मीन आसमान plot twist, plot twist.
As you can see, I'm clueless completely.
Not really, but I really enjoy the main lead.
Okay.
She is such a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
The way I think she handled that
क्या नाम है
character.
फिल्म का?
To All the Boys I've Loved Before.
Okay.
The way she handled that character with such like grace and like I really enjoyed watching her, and I felt like it was filmed on a very like relatable level, a very relatable note. I enjoyed the framing of the scenes. I enjoyed the little bit of sense of humor.
Okay.
And even if, you know, a scene went a little too emotional, the lightness would be right back.
Okay.
Within the next scene. And the way that she feels emotions a lot and the way she writes them down, I could relate to that. So that was lovely. Like, I really like that. I've watched it.
Rom-com.
Yeah, I've watched it 8 times.
What about books? You said you read. You love to read.
Yes.
So what kind of books do you like to read?
I love Robert Greenry. I love Grobber Mate. He basically philosophical books.
Okay.
Books that study the human's brain and like how stuff works, how sometimes people react the way that they do, and what you can do to cater to them, and what might be wrong with you.
So as
Stuff
opposed
like
to
that.
watching a rom-com, this is a very heavy read.
Yeah, like reading is very heavy,
Reading
and
is
then
very heavy.
and then
And
what I
music
watch
is somewhere in between.
yeah, music is somewhere in between.
Somewhere
Yes.
in between. Excellent, excellent. How does Anna dress on a normal day? Like, what is your dress code?
My dress code, basically, I really like button-up shirts
Okay.
and like loose pants. So button-up shirts, I like rolling. I love jewelry.
Okay.
I really like jewelry. I like stacks of bracelets.
tell,
Yeah. So it's that. I love watches. Something I'm a very big
Girly
fan
girl
of.
or tomboy?
Somewhere in
In
between.
between. Okay.
I'm always down to play sports. I'll take off my heels and play sports right now if you want me to.
Excellent.
Always down for that. But I also really like getting ready.
Yeah.
I love that feminine part. I love being a woman.
Nice.
You know, it's very nice.
Nice.
Whenever I am dressing up and I have music playing in the background and I'm vibing to the music, it's such a, you know, nice feeling. Like, men don't get to experience this. You know, it's
I
like,
think they do. I think they
yeah,
do.
they do. But like, being a woman is such a beautiful thing. I love being a woman, and I wanted to be a makeup artist when I was younger.
Okay.
Yeah, I was so.
You
oh
can
my
do
God.
that as well.
I had this one kit, right? It had like 35 shades in it.
Okay.
And every night I used to do a new makeup look. Like every night, and then I'd show my
Shabash.
mommy. I'd be like, "Look, mama, I did my makeup," and she'd be like, "You did great." So
very, very good.
I wanted to be a makeup artist for the longest time. For the longest, that didn't work out. I'm an actor now, but maybe in the future, who knows? So that was something I really
If
wanted
you
to
were
do.
in your late 20s or 30s, I would say who was your childhood crush? But as a 16-year-old, and
Yeah.
you're a thinker. So if you were 25, which actors would you like to work with now?
Like within that age group,
Yeah. Like if you were 25, who would you want to work with on television?
I think I've been a really big fan of. Can I say female actors as well?
Everybody, yeah.
Yeah, Sabaa Kamal, obviously.
course.
Of course, I love her.
But I am talking about the
Male actors?
the men, yeah.
Bilal Abbas, he is amazing.
Yeah.
I love him, love his work.
And guys,
He's-
this is if she's 25.
yeah,
we are
if
not,
I'm
we are
25, not
yeah.
even if I do, even if I get to play, it's not just an open position for their opposite.
Yeah.
For playing opposite them, I can also play like a, not opposite them, like a second track.
No, we
or
don't
whatever,
want you to
even
play
right
second
now.
tracks anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
So if you're in your 20s,
If I was 20s,
Bilal Abbas, good
Bilal
choice.
Abbas,
Okay.
he's amazing. Hamza Ali Abbasi. I would love to have a conversation with him one
Yeah,
day as
yeah.
well. I feel like he's